Smells like patis.
Smells like Teen
Toyo.
Spirit. Like 3 in 1. Nag-amoy pa pag natagal. Amoy kigoy. Normal, normal.
May crush ka sa kanya.
Yes,
Chismis tayo. Ano nangyari? Gusto ka na, Ted.
Oo nga, no.
Oo nga, diba?
Ba't parang nandito kami? Hindi mo siya pinapansin. Ano nangyari?
Ayaw mo ba kaibigan, Ted?
Okay na?
Ayaw ka tanitin.
Bakit ba?
Hindi raw kasi gwapo si Bigel. Enough. Mas gwapo si Kevin.
Baka hindi mayaman si Bigel.
Eh, in love si Kevin kay Pam.
Diba yung chismis sa labas, si Ted may gusto kay Kevin, pero si Kevin may gusto kay
Oo.
Nagutom na kayo? Ito na. Plan yun. Luto naman yun. Pero medyo matigas na.
Alam naman, huwag ka lang mag-mention na.
Pakuluan ko pa ng konti. Kaya niyo pa ba?
Hindi.
Sige, hintayin na para malambot ha.
Okay. Basta isa-isa lang tayo ba?
Oo, isang.
Isang tao lang.
Hindi, kumain na ako. Kami ni Bigel.
Ayaw kasi.
Okay na kami.
Ayaw kasi ni Tin kay Bigel.
Bakit?
Sinong gusto niya?
Si Kevin.
Eh, di ba gusto ni Kevin si Pamo?
Parang chismis.
Eh, gusto rin naman ni Pamo si Kevin eh.
Eh, di ba may boyfriend si Pamo sa labas?
Amo!
Wala, no.
Ay, nako po.
Bakit?
Grabe. Yun ang kala ni Pamo.
Yun ang
Kala niya talaga. Kala niya, makukuha niya.
You do dips? Why don't you ever use this to work out?
Oh my God.
Why don't we ever use it?
So yung ni Tin ngayon, si Carlo
And we can just push a little closer if we needed it.
O si Carlo.
Si Carlo.
Kayo
na ba ni Tin?
Si Pamo naman kala niya magiging shota niya.
Bawa ka naman, Bigel.
Si Pamo kala niya magiging shota niya si Kevin.
Wala nang love team si Chico.
Oh my gosh, what do you think of this earlier?
Wala na.
Pinakala ni Pamo.
Sumo na yung mga pangarap.
It's still a little
Paano
wide.
yan?
Oh, wait. There's a little bit.
Paano yan? So, Carlo, you like big girls?
Big girls?
Like me, big.
I love any girls.
I'm just asking you.
I don't discriminate.
So, you're not discriminate.
So you're really
Why are you so defensive? I was
really
just asking.
You're not bakla.
Oh no.
I was just asking if you like big girls like me.
So you like gay.
We're not
You're not
discriminating anyone.
You
Why are
sure?
you so defensive?
How many? 1 to 10.
Paano patunayan?
Anyone to son. How many have I done?
You're not bi.
Lou
how
thinks
straight-
you're a bisexual.
Wait, how straight you are?
That's her opinion.
It's your opinion ba?
So you're straight, really straight.
You're not bi.
You only like girls,
Not bi.
not
So
guys.
you can talk to a gay person in the eye.
Yeah.
Yeah? We're not discriminating anyone. Why are you so defensive? I
not
was just asking if you like big girls like
I'm not
me.
being defensive. I was just answering your question.
Oh, then why are you saying that I was discriminating?
No, I said I don't discriminate. I
Diba you said it?
appreciate.
Yeah, appreciate.
I appreciate.
Oh.
I heard that.
Oh.
So what happened with you, Bigel and
So you
Tin?
sure you're not a gay, huh?
I am not a gay. I am a straight.
Okay.
You're not a bi.
A bicycle?
Bicycle?
A motor?
Tricycle?
A tricycle? A jeep? What kind? An airplane?
Are you still hungry? So hungry.
Why don't we think about this?
Bigel, bakit ganon? Ba't nagpigil ka na kay Tin?
Give up ka na.
Give up ka sa pagmamahal mo. Di ba ang love? Never give up.
Unggoy.
Hindi, too much love will kill him.
Di ba true love? Never give up.
Yun nga. Pag may gusto ko,